It is currently 7:30 in the morning. We woke up 1 hour ago. Off to Medellin Falls. Road trip!
I get pushed it down the stairs. I'm going to a bridge. I don't care.
I love it! I don't care! I love it! What the hell? Quick pit stop at the food court.
It's not really a food court. I think it's just a grocery store.
We are about to get murdered.
They don't know we from Rogers though. We from the hood.
Gang affiliated.
What's your gun sound like? What's your gun sound like?
What's your gun sound like? What's your gun sound like? Looks like Logan's dad. Quick update. I really have to go to the bathroom, but I'm way too scared. I'm really scared. Oh my god.
Jack Link.
Jack Links. All right, quick update. Got some little donuts. That place looked like it was from Chainsaw Massacre. That was really, really scary. Off to Medellin Falls though. We can't be stopped. We can't be stopped.
Gotta try the Neapolitan donut, bro.
One bite, everybody knows rules.
Bruh. .67. 5.63 out of 10. It's alright. It's alright. Alright. Next stop, this creepy gas station. We don't even need gas, but it looks really scary.
Can I get a breakfast sandwich?
Can I get a breakfast sandwich? I don't even know if we can go in here actually. Oh, the pizza place closed down.
Lyrics that mean nothing but different with the. Is it time to move our feet to an introspective beat and the speakers up?
Little update. Stuck in the mud.
Revert. Wait. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Wait. Keep this way. This way. Go on.
Stop. This guy's not group leader. We just got unstuck in the mud. Just started the hike. Got some bear mace. Got a bear horn. Ready for a bear. But realistically, I just used my bare hands and sorry.
Yeah, we use our bare hands, bare naked against the bear.
Guys, we have a problem. There's a bone.
I think there's someone hanging over there.
I think there's someone hanging right there. All right, another update. We're going the wrong way. I don't know where we're at, but we're gonna find. We're running. I can go the distance. That's you. Whoa. You climbed up that thing?
Yo, we on like the side of the house, right? In the roof.
Yeah, stay up there, guys.
Oh yeah, not even 20 yet.
What?
Hey, they don't leave.
Treasure. This guy's making a knife, bro. Oh, hell no, boy.
Oh, he's making a steak for vampires.
I love steak.
Yo, there's mine over here, he said.
Yo, look up there.
Yo, there is. Holy shit.
There's another one over there.
Set my monster down.
I make my own path. I'm a man. We're gonna go to the top?
Is there like a cave up top?
Look at all that wood stuff. What is that? I don't know what that is.
Why is there a spoon?
You're not my spoon. Like a clearing a little bit.
Hey, you all got it backwards.
I just started falling. Oh, dude, there's hella dirt in my butthole.
My shoe.
All right, YouTube. We might have another problem yet again. This is private property.
Yo. Without any hands. Hey, get this vlog. No hands.
Logan, that was a terrible idea.
No.
Bear mace.
Again.
Come on, guys.
I need a cameraman, bro. Sure. Okay, if there's a bear, I'm gonna spray this. Turn your eyes away and run. You guys run and I'll spray it, okay? Just in case.
Thank you, hero.
Of course.
Hey, wait here, Connor.
What? What you mean? Come with me. That's good. That's sick.
That's scary as shit.
Bro, the rock is leaking.
Hey.
Oh, dude, they got the. Oh.
What, mold?
Dude, this is freaking beautiful, bro. Oh. What? I'm digging in my butt. Oops. Yo. That was really scary. There's 2 waterfalls. There's 3. Hat time. Can we live here?
Hey, if we lived here, where would we
Yo, they got straight courts, yo. How wonderful is that? Just look across, it's like the 5 foot long.
I guess, bro.
Bruh. Bruh. Oh, he made it!
Oh, shit.
Hey, fam, we're about to pass this GoPro. Wish us luck.
Hopefully no one steals our bags.
Oh, God.
Oh. Oh my God. Oh, he's doing the 4. Oh, oh. Part 2?
Don't hit the tree.
Okay. Yodi fam, we ready?
Just like that, baby. It's jump time. 3, 2, 1. What you mean, bro? 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, that was nasty.
Bro, why?
Nice.
It's about the experience, not the journey. Or wait. Okay, bro, I think that.
Get out your butt. It's a certain kind because there's a bunch of different kinds. All right, the main hike's coming to an end, but the adventure is not over. We are venturing to the Canadian border, eh? We will see you there. Little update. We are almost to the Canadian border, but I am really scared. I don't want to get shot. And we don't know if we should turn around.
The Canadians are gonna kill us!
I've been stung! I'm a Canadian! Alright, we just spoke to a border agent. She said she's gonna refer us to the other people, and we're gonna go try to touch the Canadian border. We have in fact infiltrated the Department of Homeland Security.
Oh my God.
He let us do it. We're going right now to the border.
I don't want to run because I don't want to.
Yeah, dude, we are not trying to break it, I swear. It's right there.
Where?
The diamond thing right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm really scared Canadian people are gonna try to shoot us. That's the boundary line. Don't go across it. Don't go across it. They'll shoot you.
Wait, now we're in Canada.
Wait, we're not in Canada, but this is the pillar. Wait.
Cross race.
Look, it's in Canada. I just want to touch one finger in Canada.
Oh, wait, he's looking, bro. He's looking. You're right there.
We're
in Canada.
These are all lined up against the Canadian border, and people will hike across them, bro. It's sick.
I can't believe we made it this far.
We are Canadians now.
Eh?
I hate Canadians.
I'm not impressed by your performance.
I'm gonna do 180 over it. Oh shit, I got scared. Ow! Stop to get some food. Look at these pieces. They're Tetris pieces.
What you doing
Look at
there?
this.
I think there's a bear over there.
Well, you're eating french fries, I like the table.
I scared myself. I need a hero.
Oh my god.
We're about to get pulled over. This guy is speeding up on us quick, bro.
Hey,
but the thing is, I have an air horn, so.
It's my stepdad's car.
This is your stepdad's car?
It's the Connor Richards. Eugene.
Is your middle name Eugene?
Stop. 820. 5/16/2007. Thank you.
Eugene?
Eugene, bro, are we serious? This guy's going to jail forever.
Bro, guy for real didn't have his driver's license on him when we're going 2 hours away to the Canadian border. Can we be dumber than that? No. Oh, there's a dog.
This guy got distracted. Oh, puppy. Boy. Shut up, Eugene. Take Eugene to jail, bro, please. All right, bro. Trip's over. Fun has been had. That's a wrap, YouTube.